मैं आज इस अवसर पर माननीय अध्यक्ष लोकसभा जी की अनुमति से माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने एक संदेश भेजा है हमारे इस बैठक के लिए, मैं उसको माननीय राज्यपाल जी की अनुमति से और माननीय अध्यक्ष जी की अनुमति से उसको करूंगा। It is heartening to learn about the organization of 86th All India Presiding Officers Conference AIPOC at Lucknow from 19th to 21st January 2026. What is particularly pleasing to note is that this national conference follows the conclusions of 28th Conference of Speakers and Presiding Officers of Commonwealth hosted by our Parliament. Since its inception in Simla in 1921, AIPOC has truly come a long way. Having addressed AIPOC sessions earlier, my mind immediately racks back to my participation at the Centenarian Conference, also held in Shimla in 2021. Debates and discussions are an important point of democracy, promoting transparency, fairness, and respect for differing viewpoints and criticism with dignity. In this context, speakers and presiding officers play a crucial role in ensuring the smooth, impartial, and orderly function of legislative bodies. By facilitating effective transactions of business, by maintaining decorum and decency on the floor of the House, and adhering to legislative rules and procedures. By presiding over debates, giving members an opportunity to speak, deciding points of order and overseeing voting, they act as neutral authorities of party politics, uphold the dignity of the House and safeguard the integrity of the democratic process. The conference provides an effective platform to the presiding officers of our Parliament and legislatures of state and union territories from across the nation to share their perspectives and experiences in following legislative practices and upholding constitutional values. It also provides them an opportunity to share their concerns, best practices, and initiatives to further enhance legislative efficiency and democratic process. The themes selected for this conference are timely, relevant, and people-centric. In today's digital age, technology is a proven force multiplier. It continues to be a relevant in strengthening transparency, efficiency, and citizen-centered legislative process. And it is in optimizing the capacity of legislators and in making our legislatures and elected representatives more accountable and accessible to the citizens. Respectively, more accountable and accessible to the citizens. May the deliberation of this conference further boost the effectiveness and efficiency of the presiding officers in raising the quality of debates and discussions in the House. Through the Speaker of Lok Sabha and Chairman of AIPOC, Shri Om Birla Ji, I extend my best wishes to all the speakers and presiding officers across the country. Thank you. Jai Hind.